this in like under 10 minutes, and I first start off using using my Makiage foundation. I use the color 195 and 215 mixed, and I like to mix these two colors because I feel like it just gives me the perfect color, because I have a very hard skin tone to match because I'm very orange, but I have some reddish undertones as well, so I feel like these in conjunction with each other give me my perfect shade. Plus, I like to look slightly darker because I like that the highlight will kind of lighten back up the middle of my face, so I prefer the outer part of my face to be a little bit darker. But anyways, I'm just using my beauty blender to blend it all in, and I actually use oil to moisturize my face to give kind of the dewy look, so that's why my face looks very dewy. I use the Coco Kind watermelon hemp oil, I believe. I'll definitely have a link for that below in my description as well. I love Coco Kind. It's like my favorite skincare line, and eventually I'll do a skincare regimen if you guys want that. But anyways, now I'm just going on top with just the 195, because when I mix the two, it cancels out any like dark marks or freckles that I have, and if I want like a solid one color, this is just how I do it. So I'm just following up with the 195 just to bring some of the lightness back into my face so that it matches my neck. Then I'm going in with the Makiage concealer in the color 13.5, and this is what I use to highlight under my eyes. Now, if you guys have been following my channel for a while, you kind of know what my routine is for concealer, but these are like my go-to products. So this is kind of like, you know, something that I typically do when I'm doing my foundation. So if you watch my channel, you are very much aware of these products because I am in love with their products. Like, I just feel like they're so good at like lasting throughout the day, but I also love the fact that they don't crease, and I also love the fact that it just blends in so nicely with my skin, and I don't believe, in my opinion, that you feel their makeup on your skin. So that's why I like go so hard with Makiage. But this is not a paid video or anything. This is just literally like my favorite go-to products. But anyways, so I'm just now going to set my concealer with my Laura Mercier powder, and that's the deep powder that she has. Again, this is one of my staple products as well. I used to use banana powder, but I actually stopped using that powder because sometimes if I use too much, I would look cakey under my eyes, but I feel like this powder is very finely milled, so I don't ever really have any like cakey problems in my opinion with this powder. So this is my number one choice, and then the banana powder is second to follow. But anyways, I just set my concealer as well under my eyes, as well as the bridge of my nose and in between my brows, because I do frown, as you've seen, so it kind of just locks it in so that I don't get like a frown line throughout the day. And then that was really quick, but this is the Charlotte Tilbury bronzing palette or powder. I love this powder. Like, my esthetician out here, she actually recommended this to me, and like literally I've been absolutely obsessed with it ever since. So yeah, it's been the best bronzing powder to me for brown skin. So shout out to Devana for that, and definitely check her out. She's an esthetician in Fair Oaks, California, and she's absolutely amazing. So I will leave her Instagram handle in the description box as well. She is great with black skin, and I just adore her. So anyways, I'm just doing a really quick eyebrow tutorial because sometimes I don't really go in on my eyebrows. So I just used the Espresso pencil from Makiage, and I just added some tails to my eyebrows, but that's about it. And then I'm using the Refy gel or Refy Brow Gel to lock in my brows. I used to really like this gel, but now I actually have another tip for my brows, but I'll do that for another brow tutorial because I found like after a while the Refy, it starts to look white as the Refy product gets kind of old. So it's not, you know, my favorite brow product anymore. So yeah. Then I'm just going in with Better Than Sex mascara. Honestly, this is the GOAT of all mascaras. Even though I have no lashes, I just feel like it does something for my lashes. So then I'm using the Too Faced Lip Injection Lip Gloss because I have no top lip, and I just really like this lip gloss because it's light, it doesn't hurt as bad as some of the lip plumping lip glosses do, and I don't really know if it ever even plumps my lips, but I use it, so whatever. And then I'm going in with this Mercier highlighting palette. I don't remember the color, so I will definitely put that in the description box below because I don't remember, but it's one of my staple highlights because to me it's very subtle, and you guys know, or if you don't know or are new to my channel, I like very nude makeup. So then I'm going in with my Clinique oil. This is their new oil, and I just use very little of it because I like it that it gives me like a youthful pink lip look, and it's very hydrating for the lips as well. And then I go in with my Badesque, and I just spray my little face and let that dry. And as you guys can see, I did pop on some eyelashes. And this is baby Zara. This is my daughter, you guys. I can't believe I'm a mommy. So yeah, this is my final look, and it's so simple. Now that I have a daughter, it's the quickest way to do my makeup. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.